Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect WhatsApp to Facebook page. For this video you'll be able to add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook page. If you're new here, my name is Michael, and without further ado, let's get started. To connect a WhatsApp account to your Facebook page, you want to make sure you are signing in Facebook and you have switched from your profile to your Facebook page. You can do that by clicking on your profile in the top right section of your page and then come to this section to select the page you'd like to switch to. Click on the page that you want to manage and this will take you directly to your page. Come to this section and click on this to take you to your page profile. And just below this, you will see link your WhatsApp account. Since this is a new page, it's going to show you to link your WhatsApp account. Now to connect WhatsApp to your Facebook page, click on link your WhatsApp account. You're going to be taken to the link account page. Here you'll be able to input a number and get a verification code for WhatsApp. So click on send WhatsApp code and you should receive a code from WhatsApp. Input the code and click on confirm. And with that, you have successfully connected WhatsApp to Facebook page. You can go directly to add a WhatsApp button, but I'm going to skip this step to show you how you can add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook page if you had skipped this step before. So head back to your profile page again, and if you want to add a WhatsApp button, you can come to these three dots and click here. And here you'll be able to edit action button. Click on edit action button, and then you can change button if you already have a button or delete buttons. So I'm going to click on change buttons. You have access to tons of buttons that you can add. Currently we are using send a message. To add a WhatsApp button to your page, click on send WhatsApp messages, scroll down and then click on next. On the next page, click on send a code. But since the WhatsApp account has already been verified, no code will be sent and it's going to take that as an approval. Now, when someone visits your Facebook page, there's going to be a WhatsApp button. And when they click there, they'll be able to reach out to you through WhatsApp. So let's say you wanted to delete a button. You can come back and click on this three dot on your Facebook page profile and then click on edit action button. Here you'll be able to delete button. Thank you guys for watching this video on how to connect WhatsApp to Facebook page and add WhatsApp button to your page. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you don't find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have that post notification bell turned on. And do not forget to smash on that like button and share this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.